Charlie Kirk's family is hopeful that the truth will prevail as accused killer Tyler Robinson's preliminary hearing comes to an end. The conclusion of the preliminary hearing marks an important step forward in the pursuit of justice for Charlie, the family said in a statement to Us Weekly on Friday, July 10th. Our family is grateful for the prayers, support, and kindness that has been extended to us, especially through these unimaginably painful and emotionally demanding proceedings. The statement continued, as difficult as these last few days have been, it brings our family comfort to know that the world has witnessed the overwhelming evidence of what occurred to Charlie that day. The family concluded, nothing will ever undo the loss of our beloved Charlie. As this case moves into its next phase, we pray that truth will continue to be heard through a process that is fair, transparent, and grounded in the facts. Kirk was shot and killed during a speaking engagement for his nonprofit organization Turning Point USA at Utah Valley University in September 2025. He was 31. Robinson, 23, surrendered to the local sheriff in St. George, Utah, the following day and was charged with aggravated murder, discharge of a firearm causing serious bodily injury, obstruction of justice, tampering with a witness, and committing a violent offense in the presence of a child. Prosecutors are reportedly seeking the death penalty. Robinson has not yet entered a plea. A preliminary hearing began on Monday, July 6, to determine whether Robinson's case will proceed to trial. Throughout the week, the prosecution and defense argued over evidence presented to the judge, including DNA testing and surveillance footage. State District Judge Tony Graff adjourned the hearing on Friday, but a decision has not yet been made about Robinson's standing trial. The hearing will resume on September 1st, when both sides will make their final arguments, according to AP News. During this week's proceedings, a lawyer for Charlie's family, including wife Erica, parents Robert and Catherine, and sister Mary, argued that video evidence against Robinson should be made public. The Kirk family believes strongly that if the evidence is being admitted in this preliminary hearing, it should be made public for the world to see, Attorney Jeffrey Nyman said on Wednesday, July 8th. He later added, to not be transparent here, to not be open, to not let the world see what happened, will create doubt and distrust in the judicial system. Robinson's defense lawyer fought to prevent the publication of an interview with the accused's roommate and romantic partner, Lance Twiggs, arguing that prosecutors would attempt to portray Twiggs' statements as a confession from Robinson and damage his right to a fair trial. The judge ultimately stated that he would allow most of the interview to be played publicly and would withhold 2 portions from the courtroom and broadcast audience, UPR Live reported.